friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make onion pakoda. It's a very quick tea time snack recipe. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup of besan or gram flour, half cup of rice flour, and 1 sliced onions, a small piece of chopped ginger, 3 chopped garlic cloves, 2 chopped green chilies, a little bit of chopped mint leaves, and few crushed curry leaves, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add the red chili powder according to your taste preference, and salt to taste. Finally, some 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. After adding all this, give it a mix and just press firmly so that the layers of the onion get separate and it gets mixed evenly. Now slowly add water little at a time and gently mix it. Do not put so much of force while mixing the dough. Just you have to be so gentle, and you have to mix in a way so that all the dry flour gets combined together. Adding the right amount of water is very much important to get a crispy pakoda. So make sure you add little at a time and make a perfect texture of the dough. Like this it has to be, like there should not be any dry flour, but at the same time it should be like a little bit of crumbly texture like this. Pakoda mix is now ready for frying. Heat some oil in the pan, and when it is hot, take a handful of dough and slowly drop little pieces at a time. You need not shape it, just drop it randomly. Do not overcrowd the pan. Once you add little amount of pakodas, just fry them in medium heat. Frying them in the medium heat is very important. Only then it will get cooked evenly inside and out. When it starts to turn light golden brown and the bubbles starts to settle down a bit, that's the time to take it out. As you can notice, the bubbles have settled down a lot, and now drain the oil and transfer the pakoras to a bowl. Look how crispy it is. In the same way, we have to fry the pakodas in batches. You should not fry them for long, because once it's fried for long, it will turn into dark golden brown color and it also tastes bitter. So taking out the pakodas at the right time is very important to get the nice texture and taste. You have to keep mixing it in between so that it gets cooked evenly. The next batch is also ready. Once it's cooled down completely, you can transfer it to an airtight container and you can eat as and when you like it. So the very tasty and quick onion pakoda recipe is now ready. Look how crispy it is. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.